I am Dr.K.G.Selvi, Assistant Professor of Zoology from A.D.M College. Dear students, today we are going to see a brief description about the order Coleoptera. In that order Coleoptera, more beetles and weevils included. Especially today we are going to see only that example, Rhinoceros beetle. That common name, it is the coconut rhinoceros beetle. Now let me see what is the classification. Kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Coleoptera, family Scarabidae, subfamily Dynastinae. So the subfamily was described by MacLeay 1819. That common name, it was described as a coconut rhinoceros beetle. The scientific name of the coconut rhinoceros beetle is Oryzes rhinoceros. It is also described by the Linnaeus. This is the general classifications of the order Coleoptera. Next slide. Now we will see the key characters. This Coleoptera beetles, it is available in all the coconut plantations. Not only in coconut plantations, all the palm trees, whatever that's coming under the coconut, it will be available. So that adult beetle, that in that field itself, we can observe and identify the beetles. So that adult beetle, it will ranges from 1.2 to 2.5 inches in length, and also it is in a very dark brown or black in color. So the ventral surface of the adult beetle of the male and females are reddish brown in hair, it will be present, but the female has a fuzzy groups of hair at the tip of the abdomen. This is the peculiar characters we can identify the female from that male. Both and male and female possesses similar size of the horn, leverages moving within the tightly packed leaves. So the horn only it is using to enter inside the coconut palm. So between that male and female, that another identification key character is that horn. In female, it is very short and it's average in male. So the larvae are milky white with red head, it will be present. The body shape also C-shaped curved it will be. So segmented leg it will be present and grayish posteriorly. Next, this is the generally observable characters we can see in the field. So what is the life cycle of that rhinoceros beetle? It has completely metamorphosis life cycle. It is undergo 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa and adult. So every stages this larva it crossing through molting only. So the egg, larva, pupa are buried in the dead coconut husk or trunk or the rotting materials. The preferred beating site of the coconut rhinoceros beetle is standing coconut palm, or the entire life cycle it's a completed. Next slide. That adult females lays eggs in the rotten materials or drying materials of the organic dead. So the eggs are laid in such a materials only. The larva, here it is called a grub. It is brown headed and a leg also it is curved in shape, white body, it grow up to 100 millimeter in length. So 8 to 12 days of the egg it hatches into the larval stage. 3 larval stage life it is called. That grub, it is another term we are calling it as a instars. The grub at the end of the 3rd instar, it will tunnel down below where they have the feeding. We can observe that feeding fast it will be available in that place where it is surviving. Pupae have that most of the external features as seen in the adult. It will be a tough yellowish color membrane it will be present. That adult beetles are large, black and a distinctive horn character. We can observe it. That male and female vary in body size up to 40 millimeter inside. That adult females live up to 4 months. This is the longevity of the life. Female live around 9 months. Next slide. This is the life cycle of the coconut rhinoceros beetle. So the adult at 95 days, after that matured, it lays 12 days. After the 12 days of the egg laying, it going for the first instar grub. That first instar stage, it retained for the 19 days. After the 20th day onwards, the second instar, it's going through some molting. During that molting, that larval leg, it will be forming. After the 21 days, it's undergoing the 3rd instar grub. It is called as a grub. 3 instar stages, it is crossing. After that only, it's attaining the pupal stages. After pupal stage, it's running up to 20 days. After that, it's attaining as the adult grub. It will be available in the coconut palm beetles. Thank you.